Hey everybody, today we're going to go ahead and open up a Samsung Galaxy S7. This is just going to be the regular S7, and this is also the Verizon edition. The reason why we're opening this one up, I know it's not a brand new phone, but it's kind of a fun thing that we're able to do. We've got this opportunity to get an actual brand new S7 and open that one up and see what's in there. So this of course is the phone. It comes with the protective case over the top of it and over the back as well, since the back is pretty slick and shiny. Inside the box we have the actual phone holder. Nobody cares about that. We have the instructions, some kind of metal, oh, this is the SIM card key right here. So a metal stainless steel SIM card key. Inside the instructions, we've got a couple of things there. Nobody ever reads that. And then our goodies. So we have our charger, which is going to be this is a 2 amp charger, so it's pretty powerful. We've got our USB cable. It is the micro USB. Samsung still hasn't made the switch to USB Type-C for the Samsung Galaxy 7, so we are still on micro USB. And then this here looks to be some sort of a USB adapter that you would probably plug in here and then be able to plug in like a flash drive or something. And then taking a cue from Apple, looks like they went ahead and included some earbuds in here. Some white ones, of course, and that seems to be all the rage for the actual accessories and earbuds now. Everything seems to be going together with that's perfect white. So let's see if we've got some power, just see if we can turn this bad boy on. And it does come with some power too as well. So this is straight out of the box. You know, it's a little bit charged. It's probably not supposed to be, but you know, they generally charge it up a little bit anyway. So we'll walk through the startup so you guys can kind of see that, or not the startup, but at least the first boot up, so you guys can see what it looks like straight out of the box. I believe this phone did actually get pre-programmed, so there was probably some kind of initialization that's going to go into it. Next, we like English. Having trouble activating. So, looks like it's not pre-programmed. There's going to be a whole bunch of activation and stuff that I have to go through. But anyways, that's the phone. Pretty sweet. Covered with everything. It's brand new. Anxious to go ahead and get it loaded up and get started using it and trying it out, since this is a bit newer of a phone than the one that I've been using. So if you guys have any questions, comments, make sure to ask. But thanks for watching, and happy to have a Galaxy S7 now. See you guys.